Hi everyone. So today we're really just going to be looking at word problems. So the first one says, suppose 42 liters of juice were evenly divided into 6 batches. Draw a picture to show how many liters of juice are in each batch. So what operation would we be using to solve this problem? If you look at the question, it says that 42 liters were evenly divided. So that gives me a really big clue that we're going to divide 42. Use my thick pen on accident, divided by 6. So you should all be really good with division. So I'm going to let you draw out your circles and then divide the 42 evenly into the 6 circles. Let's look at the next one. Alex buys a box of pudding mix and a box of cocoa. The mass of the box of pudding mix is 100 grams. You can see it right here. The total mass of the 2 boxes is 550 grams for the whole thing. What is the mass of the box of cocoa? So if you know the total and you want to know how much more something is, then you are going to use which order of operations? Correct, we're going to subtract. So you would subtract 550 minus 110. And they just made a really simple subtraction problem for you. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. So there will be 4. So the mass of the cocoa is 440 grams. Sorry, that little bee is in my way. So the rest of them are just going to be like that, where you have to figure out what's the operation and solve for the answer. Have fun with your math today.